How can energy healing align you with prosperity and abundance? Hi, my name is Leonard and I'm a transformational coach here at Illuminations, Dubai. How can energy healing align you with prosperity and abundance? Prosperity consciousness is a way of thinking and is a way of living. And in order for you to live and feel that way, you have to align your energy centers or chakras. The three major points that need to be cleared in an energy healing session to align you with prosperity and abundance is the base chakra or the root chakra, which is at the bottom of the spine, the solar plexus, which is right here in the middle at the tip of the stomach, and the third one, it's the Ajna chakra here. When these three chakras are aligned, cleansed, and energized, you will feel the energy flowing in your body, and it will help to clear your mind from any poverty consciousness. Because prosperity consciousness is something that we may have absorbed or we may have restricted in our lives from society, from our parents, from our ancestors. And we need to believe that prosperity consciousness is for everyone, abundance is for everyone. And once you do energy healing specifically on this, you will feel how you can manifest whatever you wish. Thank you.